Wake up! Wake up!
Come on, Danny. Let's go downstairs.
Later.
Maggots! You are all maggots, you scum-sucking fruit baskets!
Mamma mia!
Take your lumps like a man, Private Twinkle Toes!
Okie dokie!
Okay, we're going to do 6 challenges. First challenge is who has the best beach outfit. Second challenge is who can swim the best. The third challenge is who can snorkel the best. The fourth challenge is who can jump in the ocean the best. The fifth challenge is who can win a chicken fight. And the final challenge is who can catch the biggest fish. So do you all think you can do it?
Yes!
Just what I need to hear. Now let's go to the bus stop. I don't really want to do this.
So, how long have you been here?
Eventually.
The beach. So much to see, so much to do, and...
Hey, listen!
I see you win round 1.
Let's do this.
Sucks
Cool.
hard.
I'll go too.
We're looking at multiple abrasion friction.
Z? Nothing. I didn't know you were here. In fact, I didn't know you even came.
Okie dokie!
Cool.
Is anyone having fun?
Sucks hard. The sun is setting.
Ridiculous.
Guys, let's get moving. At least Seabed doesn't know where the...
And why is that?
Utterly ridiculous.
Hey, I'm back. They're playing chicken fight. We're gonna go fishing soon, so prepare your gear. Let's just move on already.
I will not rest until all the fish have been captured and eaten.
I'm getting lightheaded.
So,
Stop right there!
Why do I hear boss music?
Yarr! Be prepared to meet your maker, ya scurvy build rats!
Perkins, that's right!
Oh, wait!
Get him!
Polygraph Bookins has gone nuts. Just keep swimming.
Oh my god! She killed Kenny!
You bastard!
Well, later, loser.
Ah, peace.
Guys, let's get moving. At least Seabed doesn't know where the last diamond is.
Guys! Sir Swimsalot exploded! Can we go fishing?
We just went fishing.
Yeah, and we kind of got banned from ever going there again.
Why?
Yeah, I woke up like this and it sucks hard.
Hey, that gigantic harpoon gun is an important member of this family.
You sold the sofa to buy it!
I'll harpoon us a new one.
I'll harpoon you a new one.
Harpoons, harpoons, they're better than spoons. Harpoons. Who goes there?
Hello, old friend.